Caribbean is calling us once again. Worldly treats with no meats is traveling to the tiny Cayman Islands for something that's both familiar and a little different. The Cayman Islands are a British overseas territory located in the Caribbean. It is comprised of 3 main islands, all of which are located just south of Cuba and west of Jamaica. Only about 57,000 people live there, mostly in the Grand Cayman and the capital city of Georgetown. It is believed that the islands have never had an indigenous population and were undiscovered by humans until the 17th century. It quickly became a place central to pirates. England took control of both Cayman and Jamaica in 1670, after which it took some time to form a permanent settlement. Slaves lived on the island until 1833, when slavery was abolished. In 1962, the island separated from Jamaica to become their own crown colony in the Commonwealth realm. The Cayman Islands are a well-known tax haven, and the islands have never had any form of income tax or wealth tax. With its warm tropical climate, the islands are a popular tourist destination, especially for scuba divers. Interestingly, the Cayman Islands have more registered businesses than they do people. For the Cayman Johnnycake, you will need 1 1/4 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, a dash of salt, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 1/3 cup of butter, and enough water to make a soft dough. Mix together the dry ingredients. Cut in butter and rub in with fingertips. Add the water slowly, just enough to make a soft dough. Knead a few times until the dough is smooth and holds together. Let rest for 10 minutes. Shape into a round loaf and put into a greased hot skillet. Flatten slightly if necessary to cover the pan. Cook at medium-high heat over stove, turning until brown on both sides. Reduce the heat, cover, and continue cooking for 15 to 20 minutes. Serve hot with honey or garlic butter. Good, really hearty. Honey adds a nice flavor to it.